lot, like in his trachea something's not right. That's why that day I told my sister, I think there's something wrong with his breathing. When I carry him, I can feel like there's a bit of a rattling sound.
Yeah, because I just very gentle and keep coughing. Huh?
Where in the throat, is it?
Yeah, I'm just holding this way only. Yeah. Oh.
They say Dali has a bit of asthma.
For how long already?
It's for a while now. I mean, they can contract.
You can substitute